Gorillas are one of the largest primates and are native to the forests of Central and Eastern Africa. They are highly intelligent animals and are known for their strength, as well as their gentle and social nature. In this video, we will explore the physical characteristics, appearance, temperament, behavior, intelligence, training, variance, birth and reproduction, diet, health concerns, conservation efforts, and interesting facts related to gorillas. Physical characteristics. Gorillas are classified into two species: the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. The eastern gorilla has two subspecies: the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla, while the western gorilla has two subspecies: the western lowland gorilla and the cross river gorilla. Adult gorillas can weigh anywhere from 200 to 450 pounds and can stand up to 6 feet tall. They have a broad chest and shoulders, and their arms are longer than their legs. Gorillas have thick black hair that covers their bodies except for their faces, hands, and feet. Appearance. Male gorillas are larger than female gorillas and have a distinctive feature called a sagittal crest. This is a bony ridge that runs from the top of their head to the back of their skull. Gorillas also have large, broad noses and small eyes. They have opposable thumbs, which allow them to grasp objects and use tools. Temperament. Gorillas are generally peaceful and non-aggressive animals. However, they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or if they need to protect their group. Gorillas live in groups called troops, which consist of one dominant male, several females, and their offspring. The dominant male, also known as the silverback, is responsible for protecting the group and is the leader of the troop. He is also responsible for mating with the females in the group. Behavior. Gorillas are diurnal animals, which means they are active during the day and sleep at night. They spend most of their day foraging for food, resting, and socializing with their group. Gorillas communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. They also use tools, such as sticks and leaves, to help them forage for food. Intelligence. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals and have been known to use tools, solve problems, and communicate with humans through sign language. They have also demonstrated the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. Researchers have found that gorillas have a sophisticated social structure, with strong family bonds and a sense of empathy and compassion. Training gorillas are not typically trained by humans in the same way as other animals, such as dogs and horses. However, researchers have been able to train gorillas to participate in cognitive and behavioral studies, which has led to a greater understanding of their intelligence and behavior. Variance. As mentioned earlier, there are 4 different subspecies of gorillas: the mountain gorilla, the eastern lowland gorilla, the western lowland gorilla, and the cross river gorilla. Each subspecies has its own unique characteristics and adaptations, and they are all found in different regions of Central and Eastern Africa. Birth and reproduction. Gorillas have a long gestation period of about 8.5 months, and females usually give birth to only one baby at a time. Baby gorillas are born with a pinkish color and weigh about 4 pounds. They are completely dependent on their mother for food, protection, and care. The mother gorilla will nurse her baby for up to 3 years, and the baby will remain with the group until it reaches maturity at around 8–10 years of age. Diet. Gorillas are herbivores, meaning they only eat plant material. Their diet consists mainly of leaves, stems, fruit, and flowers, but they will also eat insects and occasionally small animals. Gorillas are able to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plant material through their large, powerful jaws and teeth. Interesting facts. Gorillas are the largest primates in the world. They can communicate with each other using more than 25 different vocalizations, including grunts, barks, and roars. Gorillas have been observed using tools, such as sticks and leaves, to help them forage for food. Gorillas are able to recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. The mountain gorilla is one of the rarest and most endangered animals in the world, with only around 1,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Health concerns. Gorillas are susceptible to a number of health concerns, including infectious diseases, parasitic infections, and genetic disorders. Habitat destruction and human encroachment also pose a significant threat to their health and survival. In recent years, gorillas have been particularly vulnerable to the Ebola virus, which has devastated populations in Central and Eastern Africa. Conservation. Conservation efforts are being made to protect gorillas and their habitats, including the creation of protected areas and national parks, and the implementation of anti-poaching laws. Many organizations are also working to educate the public about gorillas and their importance in the ecosystem, and to raise awareness about the threats facing these amazing animals. Through conservation efforts and education, we can help to protect these amazing animals and ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come. In conclusion, gorillas are fascinating creatures with unique physical characteristics, complex social structures, and a rich cultural history. Through research, education, and conservation efforts, we can continue to learn about and protect these amazing animals, ensuring their survival for generations to come.